Hey you guys, it's your girl Just Behave, and I am back with another video, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I got this acrylic Kaufman set with the Kiss Acrylic Kit, and I used some like glitter from Joann's to mix it into the powder to get this color. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight into it. So yeah, these are just how they look in different light settings. So the first thing is this acrylic kit, and it comes with all the basic stuff, the tips, which I don't use because I don't like how they feel. So I'm gonna go in with these Libby Ortega nail tips, and I'm just placing them, and they're really easy to use, and you can cut them into like a ballerina or coffin shape really easy. So I'm just using these because I have a bunch of them, and I'm just going in with this Kiss acrylic nail glue, and I got this from like Dollar Tree. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and cut the nails and shape them into the shape that I want, and then we're going to go ahead and continue. But y'all, I'm using my like non-dominant hand because I'm left-handed, not right-handed. So, if it doesn't come out perfect, it's whatever because it's like on my own hands. But yeah, y'all get it. So I'm just using my one cut to just, cut the tip to where I want it. And then I'm going to go in with my hand file to shape the nails or whatever the case may be, just to get to like the desired shape that I want it to be. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just try to flush the nail tip to my natural nail so that there's no humps or anything like that with the glitter. So I'm just doing that with my nail file. And I go in really softly. It looks hard because I sped it up, but I'm going in really softly. So yeah. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my nail duster and just dust my nails off so that there's no dust residue or anything like that on my nails. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and put on dehydrator and fonder, and this is from JC Beauty Concepts. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this to, get my nails prepped and ready so that I can go ahead and start applying the acrylic. So this is the container that I mixed some glitter in with the Kiss acrylic powder, and then I got this color. I just put half and half, and as you guys can see, like it's fully glittered out, and like the Kiss acrylic is pretty easy to use, so it's not like too runny or anything like that. It didn't really change the formula. I just added glitter because I wanted it to be something that's like easy to do and stuff like that. So you can just like go to like your local Joann's, Michael's, freaking Dollar Tree, wherever they sell glitter, you can just mix it in to your Kiss acrylic, and you can create like a really cute like glittered out set. And you guys, I don't have like a specific amount of beads that I use. Like I just go in and like I try to not put too much acrylic on it because I do want to cap it off with clear. So I just try to work as small as possible with a bunch of small beads. I don't really have like a bead method or anything like that, because y'all, like, I just make sure like the whole nail is covered. I'm not really like good at like one full bead going straight down. So that's something that I have to work on. So I just go in with as many beads as I need to get the look that I want, and if it turns out too damn bulky, we gonna shave it down. But I've been working like really thin lately because I'm just getting like accustomed to like working with like a bigger brush. So like this is a size 10 brush, and I just ordered a size 12 brush from Nail Supply Glamour, and this brush I got from my local nail supply store. But this is something that I'm really trying to work on. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and clean up my cuticles. If I flooded them or anything, like I feel like there's like, you know, extra acrylic around them, I'm just going to go ahead and file that portion off just so that my nails can like look crispy and stuff like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and e-file them just a little bit. And y'all, I do not e-file a lot. I just go around my cuticle area on all of my nails. After that, I go in with a fine drill bit so that I can go ahead and just debulk the nail a little bit, and then I finish off majority of my filing with the hand file. So this is like my fine drill bit, and I'm just debulking a little bit, just getting like anything that's real bulky or just not supposed to be there off. And I just go in really lightly. As you guys can see, like not a lot of acrylic is coming off because you don't want to over file. So I just recommend like lightly going over the nail and then finishing off everything with the hand file, because it just makes everything like, you know, look better and nicer. But I just use that to flush whatever I did on my nail. So I'm just going in with my hand file, and this is like a 80-100 grit. And as you guys can see, I just hand file up until the whole nail is smooth and like ashy. So if there's any like gray spots or spots that I can see like separation, I just keep going. That way I can make sure the full nail is like matte. Then I'm gonna go ahead and buff my nails off. And y'all, with this, I didn't want to leave it like real simple or nothing like that. So I decided to do some like cuticle cuffs on it, like some nice little diamond cuffs, because I just felt like the glitter alone was too plain. So I got this glue from Nailed by John, and I just go ahead and go around my cuticle with it because it's real precise. It has like that little, you know, really thin dispenser type of thing. So I'm just going ahead and placing the diamonds. After I do that, I'm just going to go ahead and cure them. And after I cure them, I'm going to go ahead and top coat the nails. And y'all, this is like all I had to do. It was really simple to do, really easy, really cute and sparkly and stuff. So I really like the set because it was just not complex, but still like extra. So yeah, y'all should definitely try it out. Okay, so now that everything is done, this is how they look, and I'm gonna go ahead and top coat them with the Vanillisa top coat. I think I bought it for like $2 on AliExpress, and it's a pretty good top coat, y'all. So if y'all looking for like some cheap stuff, y'all better run to AliExpress, because even though it takes like 30 days to get here, it's still worth it. Like some stuff are really, really nice. So I'm just top coating everything, and y'all, this lighting does not do like this set justice. Like in person, it is so like glittery and pretty and cute. I'm really happy I bought that glitter powder from Joann's, because I can definitely use it for other things. But if you want something that's really nice but you don't want to like pay a lot of money, you can definitely do this and mix in the glitter with the powder. And I still have a lot left over, so I can definitely incorporate this. And this could also be a good background for if you're doing like a full diamond nail, so that you don't see any gaps in your nail. You can go ahead and apply this as opposed to doing clear, and then put your diamond placements on there, and y'all, yes, okay, period. Cute. Y'all see that? Real cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and moisturize my cuticles, because you know they be dry and crusty after all the, you know, filing and stuff like that. So you just have to rejuvenate them. And y'all, look at that with the flash on. Cute, okay? Giving the girls glass slipper, okay? Period. But be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Bye.